Listen up, maggots. Welcome to the slaughterhouse. Perfect!
So, Gazz and Space Commander, you can buzz in when you see the question and have an answer. Okay, so we're going to hide the question. And Space Commander, what do you think the top answer for a winter-themed G.I. Joe is?
Snow Job.
Snow Job is the number one answer.
Woo! I say play it if you guys want to play it.
All right, play it. So, TJC, you're up next. What is another snow-themed G.I. Joe?
My mind's gone blank.
You could almost say any winter term and it'll work.
I don't know, Snow Viper?
Snow Viper. We'll give it to him. It's a snow serpent, but that's the same thing.
Oh, it was called Snow Viper in Action Force.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
I don't believe it.
What do you mean?
Here we go. All right, Joe Recondo, name me a snow-themed G.I. Joe.
I'm going to go with Frostbite.
I'm going to go with Frostbite, which is the number 2 answer. Space Commander. Now, as much as you love Action Force, we're asking for a G.I. Joe theme, winter-themed G.I. Joe.
I'm not sure, to be honest. I think I might be in trouble here.
Think.
I suppose refrigerator counts, does it?
Does it count?
No refrigerator. All right, we're going to go down to TJC. You have one.
He said fridge.
Refrigerator Perry.
They call them icebox in Action Force.
You call them icebox in Action Force?
Oh, geez.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment down below.